as a consultant who works with a lot of startups and businesses on a lot of areas and domains, one of the most common questions that I in fact get asked is when and why should a business even need a consultant. तो इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया that I should make this video on when you can realize that your business, your company, your startup actually needs a consultant or a third party external business advisor. A lot of people say कि मेरा business है, मुझे इसके बारे में सबसे ज़्यादा knowledge है, and there is no outside external consultant or advisor who can help me in the challenges that I am facing. But actually, if you think of it, you or every entrepreneur for that matter, every SME for that matter, or even sometimes traditional established businesses, they need some constructive criticism. They need criticism of their ways, of their models, of the methods, and a major change is usually needed. That is exactly when you should realize that you need a consultant or an advisor. The most important need of a consultant is when you need expertise in a probably in a specific area, a specific geography, or even a specific domain. Like for example, most of the startups and businesses that I consult them on branding and marketing, on how to create a brand, that lasts for ages. So branding and marketing is one domain where you might need a consultant. Similarly, a lot of companies need consultants when they are expanding to new geographies. So for example, tier 2 and tier 3 geographies are my forte because I've always done and scaled up businesses in these areas, so it is one of my forte. But similarly, if you are expanding to say Europe or APAC and areas, new geographies, and exploring newer geographies, then you might need consultants or mentors or advisors for those particular geographies. Similarly, sometimes your existing staff is not able to fulfill your demands, fulfill your requirements, and to supplement the staff you need an external consultant to sort of monitor them, advise them, help them, assist them, and help them achieve their goals better and faster. So these are certain areas where you have to have external consultants. You need to have business advisors in place. While we are on the topic of employees and how they need help and assistance from a consultant or an external advisors, it is also important to understand that a lot of times barely for teaching or training these employees there are external consultants or advisors required. So you should keep your eyes open and monitor your business, your employees, their performance more closely to understand that whether they need external assistance, external help or not. And similarly, another very important aspect that I remember where I have personally consulted a lot of businesses is while creating new products and launching new products. So more than just geographies, there are certain times when businesses are expanding their horizons and expanding or entering new markets, entering with new markets with new products, and that is when you would usually need a consultant. Most importantly, to provide more objectivity to your entire business model, provide more practicality to your entire business model, and as I said in the beginning, providing that constructive criticism that you always need in your business. And lastly, the most frequent request that I have received for consulting from startups and entrepreneurs is for the access to the network that I have. So when you actually go out, look for consultants, hire consultants, look for business advisors and mentors, always look at the network that they can give you or the network that you can access through them. Because a new network can always help you in more business development, newer opportunities, new hiring, better exploring new horizons, and a lot of other things. So when you are actually looking out for business advisors, always look at the network that you can access through them for that matter. So for business development, for business associations, for government associations, even for lobbying, a lot of times you will need external consultants, external advisors who can always mentor you on the right path, in the right direction, and give you the access to their network. And to end this video, I would also answer another very important question that every entrepreneur has after this, that how to find the right mentor or right consultant for their business. So always look for consultants who have a passion for your work, who know your industry, who understand your industry niche, or they have a drive for excellence in business, or they have an eye for detail in your organization. Because things like these are going to actually take your organization to the next level. So you need to see their background, do proper research, check for referrals. You know, it is never bad. Don't hesitate in asking for referrals and, you know, speaking to the right people who that particular consultant is already working with. So take all the due diligence, do all the due diligence, take all the steps that you need, and find a consultant who can actually you know, take you in the right direction and give wings to your dreams in the right way. So they should actually have the same passion for that industry, for that work that you are doing as you do. And when you find that right consultant, never hesitate in sharing equity, never hesitate in shelling out equity or money or whatever model works out best for you, because consultants and advisors will always look good on your books. They will always add more credibility when you know, pitch to investors. They will always add more credibility when you go out to customers in the market, and it will always help you in scaling up your business to new heights. Thank you.